Okay, our microwave is possessed. It is cooking while open. Is this normal?
Do you know how dangerous that is?
Let's see here now.
If I stick my hand in there while it's running, it could give me cancer instantly. Because of the microwave.
And it's still running. And it's been what? 10
Watch.
minutes?
Okay, hang on.
It don't work, man.
Where's that button?
Nope. Okay.
When you close it,
See if this works.
Yay! It works.
No, it doesn't. I got the one on camera this time. Okay, third time. Try it again. Try it again.
I
Try it
want my
again.
freaking mashed potatoes.
Yay! 3 times is the charm.